a pretty girl says she's pretty, people start having meltdowns like, bro, calm down.
Feminism means an equal, all-rounder opportunities for everybody.
They do misuse this word. They do take undue advantage of this word, जिनकी वजह से. But it's also the same thing as the way we say that not all men, but men. So, you know, but then not all women, but yes, some women. You leave with the smallest of the Sephora bag, those ones, and I'm like, I spent $100. People are too invested in women's clothing. I want people to not be obsessed with women's clothing, please.
If you don't get ready, if you don't do makeup, if you don't like are into self-care, nails, pedicure,
The economy crashes.
will go down.
But if makeup is just for us, why are we so mad when men say they prefer a natural look? Hi guys, this is Gurish Kaur.
And this is Sim with my coffee, and welcome back to yet another episode of
GG Unplugged.
Where Yapping
Never
ends. My day is just made. Was just made, I would say, because I got free coffee.
Of course.
I walked into a cafe and he liked my hairstyle, so I got a free coffee.
Or did he like you now?
What?
Or did he like you now or the hairstyle?
I have no idea. I got free coffee. I'm so happy. Okay, guys. I think I cut the Montreal part from the last podcast because I was like,
We should.
We never did it.
Told you. मैं बोलते हुए भी कह रही थी सिम अभी नहीं बोलते एक बार आ जाते हैं if we happen to do the podcast.
But we had time, right? It's just
We were having fun.
we
We
were
were on a
having
vacation. We were too busy cafe hopping and getting all her coffees.
I was on a mission for the cafes because
Dude.
the three cafes I went, it was on my list and I want to go there because they were
glad.
so popular.
But they were
And-
so good.
and they were up to the mark. They were
Yeah.
so good. But we are back from Montreal. We tried
we are.
recording a episode last week as well, but
Things didn't work
technical
out.
issues.
Yeah.
Guys, how about our new setup?
Do you like this setup? I low-key really like this setup.
Yeah, it's a more summer vibes.
It's very summery and
It's a
very
patios,
you.
you.
But first, coffee.
But I think we'll keep this setup for the
I
summer.
like it.
And
I
then
like
we'll see if we can change. We just change setup every now and then. We've just used the whole studio space by now. But I think this will be here for a while. I
Right?
guess
This is
so.
cute.
Perfect. Well, let's get into the topic. And what are we talking about?
We're talking about today, can women really have it all?
That's a good topic.
Is it now?
Yeah. And by this topic, you know what I remembered? So guys, if you follow us on Instagram as well, we posted a Toronto coffee party reel.
Let's
I just
talk
want to
about
say
that.
just why?
Why?
That's why can women have it all?
Can we really now?
I was just talking for a coffee party. I love coffees.
Bro, that's like the most non-controversial, basic AF thing to talk about.
Yeah.
Coffee, for fuck's sake, like.
I was like, can women have it all? There it is. No, you can't.
Oh, bro, because some random man on the internet, rather men, have to really. I don't know what pleasure they seek in humbling a woman, a stranger, for fuck's sake, but yeah.
And also not. So my point is, let's just keep women out of the frame for that particular thing. People are so bad for it, like they are bad mouthing international students that all you do
Yeah.
is go to work,
Yeah.
do your shifts, and now you are up leveling your standards. I mean, that's what we have to do, right?
Yeah.
Like they were shit talking about students. Like
I know.
all you have to do, like जो आप करते हो जब आप शिफ्टों पे जाते हो, and then all you do is work this and that, and then अभी आप ये कर रहे हो. I'm like, why not?
Funny that तुम किसी की मेहनत पर किसी को काम करने पे like you're trying to put them down. It's hilarious if anything.
I was so shocked कि लोगों का mindset is so low.
Yeah.
But I'm like, just ignore it. Every engagement is a
Yeah.
good engagement, guys. I'm happy.
Keep engaging. Love you for that. No, because even I used to get that a lot. Like, oh, you went all the way there just to do like a blue collar job and like these jobs and shifte lagane ja rahe ho. Ye kar. I'm like, yeah,
Building
it's a
from
new
scratch.
it's a new country and that's how you build things from scratch. अगर मैं इंडिया में भी होती अगर मेरे पास मेरी फैमिली का सपोर्ट नहीं होता मैं भी ऐसी जॉब्स करती ना. To say the least, right? So it's the same thing here. Me starting literally all by myself. We, us, right? And international students like us, तो ऐसे ही start करते सारे.
And
When nothing
that,
is handed over to you.
yes, and that
Sorry.
That gets me to the point.
Yeah.
Why you should be more kind rather than nice. See,
Love that segue.
the whole point that I brought up
Yeah.
is why you should be more kind and nice,
Yeah.
because people overlap these two words. They
Yeah.
are so different.
They are.
You tell
Okay,
me.
would you consider yourself a kind person or a nice person?
I would consider myself like a kind person, because I have like two definitions for kind
for
and
it.
nice. For me, kind is somebody who really cares for you without any like the superficial tag.
Yeah.
You're a very kind person, you're an empath, your heart is kind. That is a kind person. That means you understand the pain of others, and
Yeah.
then you do not, how do I say, you are being kind, but you're also not overstepping your own boundaries. But being nice is mean you're just doing it for the tag. You're just doing it for the world. You're just doing it to show it to the world that you are a nice person, even though
Yeah.
you're just canceling and overstepping your own boundaries just to be nice.
That is so correct, honestly. And that's a very similar definition that I have to it as well. So I think the difference between being kind, first of all, it starts with being kind to yourself. So as you literally said, if you're overstepping your own boundaries, तुम किसी का भला नहीं कर रहे हो. पहले तो तुम अपने साथ, you're not kind to your own self. So you've kind of like messed it up there itself. And the difference between kind and nice is you also keep things as is. You don't sugarcoat your words just to be nice. Just to be a people pleaser. You actually genuinely want good for maybe another person or have their best interest. So you're going to be kind towards them, but you're not going to sugarcoat the words and just be so soft on them as well. If they need a push, you're going to give it to them.
Yeah.
If they need the tough love, you're going to give it to them because you're kind and you actually want their best interest. And बस उनकी आँखों में तुम्हें अच्छा नहीं बन के रहना है, right? So,
It's not for the world.
It's not for the
it's
world.
for you and the other person you're being kind towards. And I think people need to be
need to
more
be kind. Yeah.
kinder than nice. And
True.
you need to understand this
The difference,
difference.
yeah.
It's so like
It's
this
very
thin
minute.
line.
Yeah, it's a very like hairline difference because बिल्कुल इस side जाते ही तुम people pleaser हो.
But like the other side, are like
Yeah.
you're a kind person.
You're a
You
kind
helped me in that
Yeah.
situation.
Yeah.
But we were talking about can women have it all, and that's why we're talking how being kind and nice
Yeah.
is so different for women. As in, women
yeah,
are
because I think women are like taught or conditioned to be nice.
yeah, they are conditioned to be nice.
They are for a fact, right? And just हमने I guess पहले भी बात करी थी with regards to how culturally we are supposed to be very hungry, all that, and like submissive in a way, and like how women are, how softness and femininity is also like connected to being just naive and nice to people.
Nice.
I'm like, you can be a kind person, an outspoken person, and just be. Yeah, you don't have to be nice.
Yeah. So if women are being nice, they are considered good. But the moment they start prioritizing their own boundaries,
Yeah.
but still they are kind, still they understand your pain, your value, what you're going through, and steps up for
They get the tags.
They
And
get
it's a
the
fact.
tags.
I mean, you cannot say that patriarchy doesn't exist. It very much does. And
I would say if there is a patriarchy society, there's also we have like a subtopic like pretty privilege, right?
Yeah.
So if we are accepting
I
that
wanna
there
come to
is
that,
a patriarchy in the society, we also need to accept there is a pretty privilege in the society. Why we are like shamed on like accepting the fact she is pretty,
yeah, exactly. A pretty girl says she's pretty, people start having meltdowns like, bro, calm down.
Calm
and like
down,
you're
yeah.
like, that's like egotistical. And no, you can see it. It's okay if she acknowledges that.
Yes.
I'm just gonna say.
Yes, if she acknowledges that she's pretty, just accept it. There's nothing harm. The same if a man is like, I'm against feminism. I'm into patriarchy. I'm a provider. I'm a man. You have to accept me like that. Then why not the other way around?
No, also pretty privilege. I would like to make a point that it exists for men as well. I'm just gonna say it.
Yeah, but it's more for like
No, but a
women.
good-looking man does get his way over an average-looking guy, and that's a fact. You know it, I know it. If you are
Yeah.
approached on the subway by like a sketchy-looking dude, just say it. You'll be like, oh. But if it's a good-looking guy, you'll at least have a word with him.
But
That's a
how?
fact,
Like,
dude.
what's the percentage?
No, but it does exist. We can't again say the fact that good-looking men good-looking people have it easier, and it's a fact.
Yeah, let's call it
say-
pretty privilege for all.
Yeah, pretty privilege is for all. Where you were calling it like patriarchy, yes, it exists. There are certain, things that come with the penis power. Let's just put it that way. It's a word. It's a fact, dude.
It is a word.
It's a fact, right?
I love it. I'm not gonna cut this
You're
part.
such a kid to be laughing on that.
No, I was like, there was all of it. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I saw that. You're like, ये कहाँ से आ गया एकदम से?
Yeah, but
Getting back to the point, but then there's also the other day, actually I was having a discussion with a friend. So I was doing a bunch of like set gigs, and usme I was looking. There are a lot of job postings where it's very clearly stated that people of color preferred, women preferred, LGBTQI preferred. So like, and he made a point. We were having like a friendly banter debate sort, and he's like, there's so many opportunities that women get just because they are women. And I was like, and I was listening, and I wanted to add more there, but I also couldn't help but acknowledge that is a fact.
That is a fact.
And more minority groups per se, we do get like certain opportunities just because it's either a minority or like women, or those reservations are there, and we cannot just go on and be like, no, aisa to nahi hota, aisa hota to
hota
hai.
hai. Also because now the society is more shifting towards women focus, like
But what's your take on
female.
that?
I
Is it like unfair to a man that, because probably he has the same level of skill set, and not because of merit maybe, but just because she's a woman, she's getting that opportunity.
I mean, I would not say it's like I actually have no idea on that. I would say
No,
like
but see if you were in a position and they're like,
and also just because all these years women have fought to be in a position, and if they're given that position, then why not take that advantage? We don't know after 5 years what's the situation's gonna be, how this patriarchy society or feminism gonna go on which sides, but as long as it's here to stay for now, because it's so loud in the world, like we need to put women in fields, in
Male-dominated fields.
male dominated fields. If it's there for a reason, then why not take an advantage? I mean,
correct. And actually I was very like, मैंने जो सुना ना, I'm like
we
"कह तो
acknowledge
सही रहा है."
it.
Yeah, I'm like, कह तो सही रहा है. I'm
हाँ.
not gonna, because I've been in places where it was like, women preferred and that kind of stuff, and I'm like, yeah, nowadays in this day and age, especially talking from a very, very privileged place. First of all, it's Toronto we're talking about. It's a multicultural space we're talking about. It's city life we're talking about, and not really like a rural place जहाँ अभी भी औरतों के rights नहीं मिल रहे and that stuff. तो वहाँ पे discussion और debate काफी और होगी. But talking about this, I think he had a point there, and I couldn't help but acknowledge the fact.
Yeah.
Because it was one of those things. I'm like, because bolna to hai ispe kuch, but I think you're right.
he is right, and
Yeah.
acceptance is the key.
Acceptance is the key. You got to accept. So glad that such opportunities are now coming up. But of course, it has not been there for years. So
Yeah,
as you
like-
said, father
Yeah,
only.
our mothers didn't have that,
Our
right?
mothers did not have
we have it, so why not like use it
Yeah.
and like do not regret it after like 5 years, or when there was like this trend. Let's say it's a, how do we say, company's way of being in the news that
Yeah,
they are
yeah.
hiring more
It's a
women.
fact, yeah.
Companies.
Companies have कितना quota कि इतने percent women candidates ही उठाने हैं with every hiring. That's a
Yeah,
fact.
you don't know how long is it here to stay, but for now I think it is here to
good.
stay. And we feel for you guys, but it's our time. Let us
Socially,
shine.
culturally, we have felt for ourselves a lot. Now
lot.
it's okay if you feel
Let
a
us
little.
shine for
Yeah.
some time and just shine with us.
What is your definition of feminism? Let's go
It's-
with that.
I'm so done with the feminism bullshit, because feminism means an equal,
Yeah.
all-rounder opportunities for everybody. If I'm saying something getting wrong or happening wrong with the guy, I would speak up for him. If I'm seeing doing something wrong with the girl, I would speak up for her. So it means getting them on the same radar, and not like playing my feminism. They're like, let's say it's a very sensitive topic. Feminism, वो बोलते हैं कि when a girl gets raped, वो अपना फेमिनिज्म कार्ड प्ले कर लेती है, लाइक पुलिस स्टेशन में जाके. बट बॉयज़ ऑन दैट साइड दे से कि हमारे साथ भी ऐसा बहुत होता है, बट वाई इज़ इट नॉट इन द यूज़ there I feel कि it should be a more clear कि feminism means कि सबके लिए same है. I think just feel कि women are using that word to get opportunities, to get away with a lot of things, which is true. I would not deny the fact that a lot of women use this word to get away with a lot of things, which is not good. So if you are if you have the privilege of feminism society right now, just use it in the correct way.
I think feminism word is one of the most misused and misunderstood. लोगों को some like okay, dictionary definition feminism means equal rights and opportunities for all genders, regardless of gender, sexual orientation, and
Blah,
that
blah,
kind of
blah.
stuff. Blah blah. Right? Basically, it's a humanitarian approach.
Yes.
And it literally means as a human, you should have equal rights and equal opportunities regardless of XYZ. बस ये literally बस इतनी सी बात है. But just because I think the feminism, like the feminine word is added there, it is somehow very stupidly always perceived as it's a pro-woman thing. It's a pro-human thing.
It's a pro-human.
It's a humanitarian approach कि सबको as an इंसान मिलना चाहिए. And feminism is the most again wrongly used word in
It
today's
is.
society.
मेरा भाई मेरे से बहुत ऐसे कई बार मजाक
मेरे को
करता
भी
है कि
same,
तेरी
I
feminism जाग गई है. I'm like, I
get
didn't
it.
even say anything. How can you just even assume
Yeah.
कि मैंने ये बोला? Like, it's a witty banter between siblings, right?
I get you though.
And then I'm like, I think you have a wrong idea about that word.
A lot of people do.
It's not like, we are not one of those जो feminism को लेके will get away with a lot of things.
Yeah.
We are one of, obviously there will be like a bad set of women or let's say people or society जो इस word को लेके they are like, their propaganda is different, right?
Exactly.
Ours is not. So why is everybody put into that category only?
I know exactly my point. So मुझे भी I get like a lot of comments like, oh, these feminist type, they just wanna. I'm like, first of all, like, oh, feminist type, calm the f down. But also, काफी लोग and you're very correct with the fact कि they do misuse this word. They do take undue advantage of this word जिनकी वजह से. But it's also the same thing as the way we say that not all men, but men. So, you know, but then not all women, but yes, some women. I'm like, even girl, you don't have an idea and you're like making it bad for the community. Like you're messing things up for women as a whole. When obviously, similarly, like when one man does something bad,
It's all men.
it's all men that are dragged. And likewise, when one woman really misuses or plays a victim card or something, I really don't like saying a word, but then, you know, as like her woman card, her victim card, or like plays the feminist card, I'm like, you are really ruining the narrative for the rest of us. And like, और 10 साल पीछे ले गए आप हमें.
And also, have you ever noticed when we are sitting in a group or like with our friends, we went on the trip, right?
Yeah.
There are certain comments, there are certain mindset, there are certain misconceptions about a lot of things.
Yeah.
And when we do talk about it, like I'm very vocal about a lot of things on the face. And then there are comments like, तू बड़ी feminist है, ये तो इनकी feminism जाग गई है. And I'm like, जहाँ जागनी चाहिए वहाँ तो जागनी चाहिए कि नहीं?
And also even a man can be a feminist, do you know that?
Yeah. And if a man is a feminist,
Yeah.
he's looked down. Like
He's like, तू वो नहीं देगी. ये वाले
वो नहीं
comments आते हैं कि
चलेगा.
bro तू सिर्फ लड़की के पीछे कर रहा है. And I'm like, you don't understand the meaning of feminism. That literally means again human rights for fuck's
yeah,
sake.
please guys, if a man is a feminist, it does not mean he's supporting women. He's just supporting the overall meaning of feminism,
Yeah.
which is
Equal rights and opportunities for every human. Like I really wanna emphasize human. Dude.
human. So please do not tag people like you're a feminist, as long as they're doing it for the right reasons, of course. But yeah, that was a good topic too.
Yeah, man.
The thing is, I or you, we weren't the same like 3 years ago. Like 3 साल 4 साल पहले we were young, 2021 young, right? And तब अगर कोई argument होती,
Yeah.
I would have like
Same, bro. It's so
कि
funny.
तूने
तेरे को
बोला
मैं
तो
बताऊंगी
बोला.
अब, तू
Even
रुक.
if मेरे को पता है कि उसके दिमाग में कुछ नहीं जाना है, he's like we are talking to a wall.
I know, but
for self ego ना कि तूने
भी,
ऐसे
हाँ.
बोला कि
मैं बताती हूँ, जब अपने
मैं
pointers.
बताती हूँ. But now I'm
I
like
couldn't
इसका
care
तो
इसका तो
रब ही
भगवान
रखा
ही
है.
मालिक है.
It's
मैं
better कि
अपना
अपनी
दिन नहीं खराब
energy
कर
save
सकती।
करो.
Yeah,
That is so true. And वो आपको बातों बातों में पता
चल जाता है।
And also if you're very intimidating, you'll get that a lot. I get that a lot.
Yeah. You can be intimidating, that I can say. तेरे से मैं आज तक डरती हूँ भाई.
I know. I am a little intimidating.
Yeah.
तो मेरा like perception ही बन जाता है कि she is like pro feminist. क्योंकि आई एम इंटिमिडेटिंग, आई एम वेरी वोकल अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स कि मैं सुनती हूँ ऐसे कर देती हूँ, एंड देन लाइक ये प्रो फेमिनिस्ट. आई एम लाइक नहीं ब्रो, मैं अपना सिर्फ पॉइंट रख ली, जस्ट माई नेचर इज सच.
इवन आई गेट दैट बिकॉज अगेन आई थिंक वेरी आउटस्पोकन पीपल, बट मेरे को यार मुझे लगता है मैं इंट्रोवर्ट बनती जा रही हूँ, मेरे साथ कुछ प्रॉब्लम है.
आई थिंक यू आर एम्बिवर्ट नाउ.
Really?
Ambivert. You are very social with a selective group of people, right?
Yeah.
And then if they're not your people, you're like, fuck off.
मैं बिल्कुल अपना फिर मैं cocoon हो जाती हूँ कि मैं जैसे अपने रूम में घर पे होती हूँ.
Yeah. That's why I told you when I came back from Vancouver, I needed my time. Now you understand? I told you, let's come back from Montreal and ask you, like, नहीं मैं तो बहुत ऐसे हूँ, मैं तो extrovert हूँ, मैं तो ये हूँ, मेरे को तो बहुत मजा आता है.
Day 2-3 पे देख लियो. I guess the last day, 4th.
She was dead, and I was dancing in the car through the last stop.
ये झूठ बोलती है first of all, introvert है. She is. मैंने इससे ज़्यादा extroverted लड़की नहीं देखी. मैं तेरा खुला.
Ask my like college friends.
Fuck off, dude.
Ask my
हमारे
college
साथ
friends.
देखो क्या हो गया तो उछलू कूदू.
That's why.
Which is good, touch wood. Like you are happy.
How do I extrovert with a selective group of people?
Put me in a situation.
I need to like patent that line. Put me in a situation.
That was good, dude.
But नहीं, आगे से I think फर्क पड़ जाता है.
नहीं, but you I think तू बहुत open up हो गई है jokes
है
about,
ना?
like genuinely even like with the podcast and like, because I've reviewed the episodes वगैरह भी, जैसे मैंने कहा
बोलना शुरू हो गई है.
like expressing like well and very articulate. I like it.
हाँ, thank you. हम थोड़ी अपनी तारीफ में चले जाते हैं guys. Getting back to the
That's
topic. I had a really good topics for the next podcast. Guys, please let us know in the comments what do we need to talk on or talk about actually.
What do you want to hear about? Because हम अपनी बातें कर सकते हैं. Of course we have.
But also we need your
Yeah,
help,
exactly my
guidance.
point.
What
Yeah.
do you want to hear?
Yeah.
Do you want some juicy gossips? Do you want like
Give us some juicy gossip. You know what? Any episode is good for some juicy gossip.
I don't
What's
have a
happening
juicy
in your
gossip.
life? What an
After the
ass.
Montreal trip, I am just getting back to my routine, guys.
यार मैं honestly ना Montreal, if we can just do a little segue, bro, मेरे को realize हुआ कि how much I love my routine. It's hilarious. You said it. I know. Oh, this girl. ये वो toxic partners होते हैं जो कोई भी मतलब wife कुछ कहेगी तो I said it. I told you. She's that I told you in my life. She is. I told you, bitch.
And I say that to her like 10 times a day.
Exactly, I'm
I
saying
told
that.
you. And she is never gonna listen to me. करके बोलेगी yeah, say you were right.
ठीक है, मैं बिल्कुल ऐसे हाँ ठीक है, पता है मुझे, but like I'm not gonna acknowledge it because
Ego.
I am some way acknowledging it, but whatever. Ego.
No, but it's a
But
fun
you get
ego.
it.
Like
It's
हाँ
a-
नहीं
हाँ,
दोस्तों की नहीं
like
माननी
हाँ
होती.
ठीक है भाई कि कम बन हाँ okay. But she does this and I don't know why it's accurate all the time. Like I hate it. I hope she's wrong one day just for the heck of it. I'm like, पता है तू गलत थी. Like,
तू गलत थी. तूने इस बार fuck up किया है.
इसे तूने फका किया. I'm waiting for that day.
I hope there is a day.
Shut the fuck up.
But नहीं क्या बोल रही थी तू? You
हाँ
need a
sorry. I love my routine, dude. Like in a weird way, मुझे दो चीज़ें realize हुई. एक तो I love my routine. Like I was actually waiting and looking forward to come back and do my things the way I do it and have my time. Hilarious. I'm like बहुत मुझे लोग पसंद है पर अब थोड़ा एक दिन जाओ ना guys, परसों मिलते हैं. Like you know, give me a day to myself. Because अकेले रहने की इतनी आदत हो गई. And the other thing was somewhere I had with this whole almost obsession-ish over growth, productivity, ये करना है वो करना है, मेरे को ना I had not slowed down in so long that also felt थोड़ा out of place. It felt like अच्छा पर ठीक है मैंने कुछ भी नहीं करा आज. Do you get it? Like it's so I'm on a vacation for fuck's sake. But somewhere in my head it was कि मैंने आज कुछ भी नहीं करा. And that 2 दिन हुआ, तीसरे दिन फिर I'm like bro, the point of life is also just living. And I was like, I literally almost forgot that.
Yes.
कि इतना लगे हुए ये करना वो करना ये करना वो करना. I'm like, just be, and that's okay. Some days you just get up, put on makeup, change 3 outfits a day, explore new cafes, and that's your life. And that is okay.
I was saying people in Quebec are so nice. I have for some reason I had that thing in my mind. Like I've heard people saying that they are very rude if you don't speak French. They're
Yeah.
gonna give you hard time. They don't like speaking in English, this and that. But we had
We didn't face any of
such a
that.
good experience. Even though, so what happened was they would like greet us in French, bonjour. We were like bonjour, and then they would speak something in
फिर हमारी
French,
French खत्म हो
and
गई.
then we would like look up at their faces like we're not from here, and they're like, oh.
Hi, how you doing, guys?
The way they transition from
That
that
was
was like
so
so
funny.
funny. And I was like, they are actually nice.
They are.
And I felt Quebec, I know for some reason, Quebec is better than Montreal. Don't come at me for saying this,
Yeah, yeah.
but I felt Quebec is much more happening, prettier, calming, a lot of things
Yeah.
than Montreal.
I agree because Montreal is full Toronto downtown vibe, no, Baba. Quebec has like
But I have
culture,
heard
history,
people
thoda
saying they love
heritage.
Montreal. I'm like, what's there to love in Montreal? I like there are
Literally
cafes, there are
Toronto.
pretty things, there are
Yeah.
a lot of like exploration in Montreal. But Quebec is such a vibe. I would stay there for a week and just explore
Yeah.
the whole city
By foot, me as well.
by foot, and
Fun.
that will
I
be
know.
so fun. Like
I
just
know.
go in the early morning
Yeah.
for trails, this and that, cafes, and then meeting new people, this
More
and that.
coffee. Nevertheless,
Guys, we
move
have
on.
again a fun segment in this
Yes.
podcast, and yeah, you want to start?
Let's take it away.
Yes.
Yeah. Alrighty, so we have like some rapid fire questions, and she doesn't know the questions, and
I'm scared.
I don't know them either. You have some, right?
No, you only have it.
Okay, cool. Love that.
I'm like, you were.
Yeah,
like,
now you know how it feels being like, I don't know what she's
put me in
gonna
a
say next.
situation.
I am gonna very soon. Okay, there we go. Is being a cool girl, aka low maintenance, like eat burgers, love sports, like a chill girl, a scam we secretly buy into?
No.
Like just you know, I'm just a chill girl. I'm not high maintenance. I'm not like other girls. I just I like sports.
If it's to impress boys, then it's a bullshit. But if it's but some girls are really,
Really, like,
really
chill.
cool, chill girl. They
Yeah.
don't give a
yeah,
F.
Yeah.
So it's fine.
right.
What's your take?
I think
Same.
Because
Yeah.
if it's to like please a guy, I'm like there couldn't be anything cringier.
But if you are a cool girl,
I'm like, if you're a chill girl, be a chill girl.
Be a chill girl.
But yeah, like some people do actually like buy into the scam, like, oh, I gotta play like cool and chill, and just because again,
how do you play cool and chill?
AKA like doing more boyish things, even if you're not maybe into it like that.
Oh.
Playing it like, oh, I'm one of the boys. I'm like, I love video gaming with you, babe, and that kind of stuff. I'm like, but you
Oh.
don't really enjoy that face.
Why would you do that?
That face to get a guy.
Yeah.
I mean, both the genders do it. Men also do some stupid shit just to get girls. That's one of those things.
Yeah, true.
For a fact. Okay. Is it really self-care if you spend $500 at Sephora? Or are we just tricked into spending more under the name of empowerment?
No.
You know it.
I can just make my homemade mask.
Yeah, dude.
That costs like $200 at Sephora. It's you can't like walk out of the
Capitalism
Sephora like
disguise.
for less than spending $100. Minimum $100.
और 100 में कुछ नहीं आता.
It's like a mini is for $100.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, you leave with the smallest of the Sephora bags, those ones, and I'm like, I spent $100 too.
See, I think the 80% of the market runs on for women, and because of women.
For a
If
fact.
we don't get ready, if we don't do makeup, if we don't like are into self care, nails, pedicure,
Yeah. The
50%
economy crashes.
will go down. So give us some credit
Who run
for
the
putting
world?
some money into
Girls.
your economy.
Who run the world? Girls. For a track chal raha hai.
Yeah.
What a fact, dude. See? I mean, yeah, we also do a lot of overconsumption, agreed, before anybody comes at us.
Yeah, because बड़े easy होते हैं ना manipulate करना. We are taught to be manipulative. To get manipulated and to be nice. हम कहते हैं अच्छा ये हमारे लिए अच्छा है, ठीक है हम ले लेंगे.
हम मान जाते हैं.
हम मान जाते हैं. तो इसका वो फायदा उठाते हैं. All
We are
the
coming out really wrong is why I'm laughing.
we're just having fun, guys.
I know. Okay. Ooh. If makeup is really, how women say, oh, makeup is just for us. We don't do makeup for men. Low-key fact. But if makeup is just for us, why are we so mad when men say they prefer a natural look? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Wow.
Right?
That's such a like a.
ChatGPT is being bitchy today. Like, it's being a bitch.
I have nothing to say there. Because
Really?
yeah, it is true. Then why do we get mad? It is true. We don't do makeup for men.
Yeah.
For a fact.
Yeah.
But then there is some like I have no idea what to say. Like there is something inside us when they say like we prefer girls with natural makeup.
No, I'm like, then get a girl with natural makeup. I'm not your cup of
But
tea.
then that's what it's saying. Why
Yeah.
do we get offended if you're not doing it for men? We can say yeah. It's
No, but then
fine.
it's okay.
I love doing it.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
it.
For example, a guy likes gym reference or likes to train his biceps a lot, and then I go, I like men who train their legs, and then you're like, yeah, then I'm just not
Yeah.
your type, and that's okay. You don't need to comment on it. You don't need to put me down.
That's
just
also then
because-
depends on the person to person. It's a generalizing everything.
No, but yeah, also like if a man says like it's a way of putting me down in the moment that, oh, I don't like girls with makeup. I'm like,
yeah, I'm not for you then.
I'm not
I like
for you
makeup.
then. Yeah, I like makeup. I'm genuinely doing it for myself. I'll take my stand on that because I 200% do not care about an opinion of anybody, let alone a man, कि उसको makeup पसंद है नहीं
नहीं
पसंद
पसंद है।
मुझे बहुत पसंद है मैं इसलिए
Because you're
करती
self-secure as a person, then that's
Yeah,
what
agree.
then what we're saying. If we are going to a
Yeah.
man and हम उसके bicep पे
Yeah.
comment करें, let's है ना उस take
कुछ
से
भी,
देखो.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
Then if he's not like very secured person, like okay, so
हूँ। Yeah.
same your take. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
that's it. But he's saying कि then why do we get sometimes offended?
No, Baba, the offense is coming from the fact कि तू मुझे अपना point तेरी preference हो सकती है. Basically, you're trying to put the other person down when
Yeah,
you're
if you're not
saying
putting the
that.
other person down,
Yeah.
it's fine.
You can have whatever preference. We are mad because तेरे को ये मेरे को नीचा दिखा के बोलने की जरूरत नहीं थी. Do you get it? कि मुझे मेकअप वाली लड़कियां नहीं पसंद, मुझे नेचुरल पसंद है जा करना मतलब like, मुझे मत बता. Do you get it? So is the only reason because you're putting the other person down,
Down.
whilst making your point. You make
It's
your
just
point
your
and-
preference, that's fine. You're just
You
putting
can
it
have
nicely, it's
preferences,
fine. But otherwise, yeah.
Yeah, I think which is why women get mad if they do. And yeah,
I am just really like, okay, but I do.
yeah, but I do exactly. We were self-secure like that, but nevertheless.
मैंने इतने साल लगाए मेकअप सीखने में करने में
इतने वैसे लगता है अभी सिर्फ हो रहा हम रो रहे थे like bro.
नहीं पसंद तो नहीं पसंद. What can we do?
He just broke my excuses honestly. उसको खरीदना नहीं है. Bro, I remember this.
That's
such a good take.
That's such a good take. That men who don't appreciate women doing makeup.
Also high maintenance women. I'm like, buddy, you're just broke and say it. You can't afford. A high maintenance woman is what it is. Sorry, I'm a bitch sometimes.
I'm gonna put it on reel and then we're gonna start so hate comments, so much hate
मजे
comments.
आएंगे. My niche, upsetting men. Love it. Is the whole hot girl walk movement peak liberation or peak performative?
Performative.
Right? Thanks. You said it so quick. I love that. Yeah.
There's no take on it. It's performative.
Yeah, it's one of those it girl things. It's a trend, but of
It's
course
been
you
good
should-
for us.
It's good for us regardless. But वो वही performative just because it's a trend and it's a word.
Sometimes trends are good.
Yeah, it's one of those things.
It's one of those things.
It's one of those things. Yeah. Is it actually fun to be mysterious and hard to read? Or are we just socially considered to hide our real emotions? Bro, this one hit harder than a rock.
I love it. You know what?
You're a mysterious-ish girly? Come on now.
I am not.
Come on now.
I
Really?
am not. Get me.
It takes a while to peel up your layers. That's,
yeah.
I would say, no, honestly. And not even from a ऐसा offense वाली way मेरी. I'm saying-
नहीं. Like
हाँ.
you're true.
Yeah,
You're right.
I think I'm correct there क्योंकि इतना जो तेरे को time लगता है. Like I am very, you know me.
Yeah.
मैं फैल जाती हूँ, open book. And I'm also very like honest and expressive. Like I really, if somebody's asking me a question, and if I have the answer, I'll give it. Like I'll not.
But that's
protect
another thing.
something.
It's not. But it's not being mysterious. You're genuinely concerned and giving advice to somebody
No,
else.
answer नहीं कुछ मेरे से related भी. Like if somebody asks me something like about my past life, I'll just tell them for the most part.
Why would you tell them? Are you stupid?
I mean it okay, it's very, तो मैं बिल्कुल ही बेवकूफ लग रही हूँ बोलते हुए.
कोई इसको पूछे आपका पास कैसा था, ये सब कुछ ऐसे दे
सब
देगी.
कुछ भी नहीं, but okay, forget it. It's very nuanced, I guess. मैंने बिल्कुल ऐसे बोली, मैं तो पागल हूँ, बिल्कुल सब बता देती सबको. That's not how I am.
You know what? I remembered a reel. Like, I want to be so mysterious, but I am this girl who just
am that
talks
girl.
about everything in 2 meetings. That you will know my whole life in 2 meetings.
Remember how we met?
Yeah. I remember.
Yeah, just
but that
said
was also
it.
like
Us
we
तो is-
vibed,
yeah,
right?
us तो is different.
But if I'm meeting a stranger, let's say,
Yeah. Strangers को मैं भी नहीं बताती. I mean, I really came off very stupid with the previous statement, guys. Ignore. Sometimes I just have brain farts and like I just spill it out.
but yeah.
मैं किससे बोलती हूँ सबको सब
So
बता
rather
देती हूँ.
than like, are you okay, girl? Why are you telling everything to a stranger about your life?
Sorry. Okay. Back to the original question. Is it actually fun to be mysterious and hard to read? Or are we just socially conditioned to hide our real emotions? As women.
Let's say as whole, like both. No, as women.
I want to make it specific.
I think we are societally conditioned to not share a lot of things for a lot of reasons. For safety reasons.
That is understandable.
For number one is I think safety reason,
I
and
know.
also nobody will like use you
I know.
for like wrong reasons. So that's why we guard ourselves a lot before
lot
we
more than-
open up to
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
person.
True.
And I think most women, they need some time to open up. Unless you are very like, I don't give a F about my life, it is what it is. A lot of women take some time to open up. Like for me, it takes a lot of time,
What did I say?
efforts, a lot of time, efforts, and roasting. I would roast a person and I would not let my guard down until I see this person is worth telling a lot of things. But once I start telling a lot of things, then I won't shut up.
Love
That's
that.
the thing. So I have like this or that, no in between.
Because it took me a while to get this zone, this
Yeah, it took us also a while, to
तो
get
उसकी
used
बात
to
करी,
each
like,
other.
used to से भी ज्यादा कि हम इतने chill और frank हैं कि हम कुछ भी बोल
कुछ भी
देते
बोल
हैं,
सकते,
वो
yeah.
वाली चीज की, especially you, it took you a while to open up. I'm going to be honest about that. Of course we shared a lot of things on the first day we met, but like
Yeah,
जो
I
एक
did.
level of, do you get it कि ठीक है यार बोल दिया
Yeah, it
Yeah.
actually does take
It
a
does
lot
take
of
a while.
time. I was a person जिसको मैं बहुत, I told you ना, I had a best friend. This is very recent starting वाली episodes में,
हाँ जी,
like
the best friend
yeah, like I'm never gonna make a best friend because it hurts so bad that अब मैं बहुत guard up करके रखती हूँ. So that's the
can
reason I
tell.
take my time to like
Take all your
let
time.
my guard down. कि अच्छा हाँ ये बंदा बच्चा है. I'm gonna spend my life with her or him. Like
सारे
ठीक
test
है.
बिल्कुल
सारे
देंगे.
टेस्ट ये पार हो चुका है.
I actually मैं बहुत candidly share करती हूँ. मैंने कुछ लिखा था. I was wanted to talk about, especially I think from a woman's perspective. I'm a woman. It's about the lived life, right? It was like have the conversation. Have the conversation in terms of women a lot of times do not really fully speak their truth just because of the fear कि हम इतने बड़े एम्पैथ हैं कि हम सामने वाले की फीलिंग्स को इतना प्रोटेक्ट करने में लगे रहते हैं कि उसको क्या लगेगा, वो हर्ट ना हो जाए, कि वी a lot of times don't entirely speak our truth. Do you agree with that or no?
What do you mean by truth?
Truth as in तुम्हें whatever you're feeling about a certain situation, a thing, your opinion on something.
Oh, like we mold it in a way.
Yeah, because you're like, but also if they, whatever they is in front of you, cannot handle you as a full person, तुम जैसे हो वैसे, तो उनकी मतलब उनकी फीलिंग्स तुम्हारी फीलिंग्स ज़्यादा वैल्यूएबल कैसे, बोलते ये बताओ. वो उनकी फीलिंग्स तुम्हारी फीलिंग्स ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट कैसे है कि वो शेकन अपना हो जाए, इसलिए तुम अपनी ऐसी करा लेते हो. इन द मोस्ट लिटरल सेंस ब्रो, यू नो, यू फील अनईजी, you feel out of place. When you hold that inside, it gets scarier to have that conversation. You don't have that conversation and you don't entirely speak your truth just because you're so scared to, you know.
That is true.
Yeah.
It's again, we are just conditioned to be like that, and takes again, I think we talked in one of the episode, it takes a lot of trial and errors
Yeah.
to be a person who is so vocal about her feelings, who is so secured about her looks,
Yeah.
her feelings, and who can be an empath but also knows how to set boundaries. It just takes a lot of person as a work,
Yeah.
lot of work as a
person,
person.
yeah.
That's what it is.
But yeah, because this,
and also you need a right partner. Sorry.
No, you're good. Yeah, this is also, of course, partner वाली में even in like basic चीजें, friendship वाली चीजें, छोटी छोटी चीजें मैं भी खुद implement करना चाह रही हूँ. So उस दिन मैंने बोल दिया, because मुझे था कि यार मैं भी तो अगर uneasy हो रही हूँ तो मैं बोल तो सकती हूँ ना, मतलब the most basic thing, right? तो वो चीजें like it's so again so ingrained, मुझे क्यों इतनी कहता मौत आती है बोलने में, so ingrained in me to just keep it to myself. Similar thing. It's just the conditioning, right? So I'm also trying to break it one pattern one day at a time. कि यार it is okay, especially because I'm coming from a good place and I know the other person is kind to me, is an empath, will get me. तो वो वाली चीज़ें बहुत important है to also जो practice what you preach, right?
Yeah, but I'm not there,
not there
yet.
yet?
I'm
That's
not there
okay.
yet. The thing is, I just keep ignoring it. I would not like express or say हो गया मेरे को वो feel हुआ. I will just deal with my feelings then and there. It's fine, but I will just ignore and be on the way. Ki it's.
Have you ever done stuff like tarot?
I really want to do.
You really have you never tarot or ऐसा जो
I'm really into it.
Okay.
But I feel मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि these things are true, but if you've studied it properly, there is a role of planets, universe, your stars.
I agree that
everything is for a reason. So how it aligns, there is a specific reason, but also कि random person के साथ नहीं जाना है. But I am into a lot of astrology, but not like अंदाज वाला नहीं, but like for some extent. Are you?
I am. But again, I'm not into Sagittarius guys are like this or this and that. You know how people वो मुझे नहीं पसंद. Like I don't know, because there's some people like, oh, Libra, I have never had a Libra best friend and they're weird and this and that. I'm like, Libras are weird. I'm like, okay. So I wanted to ask, like, what is one lived experience as a woman that you would want to erase from a woman's life altogether?
I would want to erase the pressure of getting married at a certain age due to the biological clock. That means like mostly they say you should get married by 27, 28 because after 30s or like mid 30s your biological clock is not that fast, you don't want to have kids, it'll be very difficult to freeze eggs, this and that. But my question is, if a man says he doesn't want to get married, you'll ask him like why 3 times and after that done, he doesn't want to get married. But if a woman says, why is she getting judged on the fact that she doesn't want to get married? It's fine. She doesn't want kids. She doesn't want a husband. She doesn't want that life. She want to live on her own. That's the one like misconception, pre-assumed thing that I want to erase and like just say ki it's a human. Let her live as she wants. Like as you let a man live his life. Straight up. What's your answer?
Mine, one experience or like one thing I'd want to erase from a woman's life would be people are too invested in women's clothing. I want people to not be obsessed with women's clothing, please. Please, thank you. Like just leave us. Like अब तो बिल्कुल छोड़ दो हमें. Like please stop obsessing over women's clothing. That is like if she wears a dress that like people read far too much. I'm like, there's absolutely nothing to read in between those lines that you're reading in between. Oh, she's doing it for this. She's doing. I'm like, oh, she just felt like wearing that dress and she's wearing it. That sports bra was literally right in the front of her cupboard. Is why she wore that to the gym. Like, there's literally the least amount of effort or mind or messaging put into women's clothing. Like, I hate people obsessing over women's clothing, and if that was one thing that could be taken away and women could just literally be and wear whatever and feel just as comfortable as a man, that would be nice.
Yeah, which is true.
So be nice.
if let's say if a woman has big breast, and she would naturally have cleavage in a lot of clothing, that does not mean she is wearing it to show it to the world.
Thank you. As a woman who's been now, of course, with the weight loss, everything reduces, guys. But I was a big chested woman all my life, and I cannot tell you how much I get this. Like and I love a breathable neckline. मुझे सांस आनी चाहिए. मैं यहाँ तक के neck.
It's just how God made a certain person.
Yeah, and just because somebody has bigger tits does not mean they are showing it off. They just have bigger tits.
Yeah, and the clothing is such that it's not sometimes very appropriate for bigger chested women.
Yeah, as far
they're
as
not
she's
made for them
comfortable,
sometimes.
dude.
So if even if it's showing, it's not for the world, it's just that she's wearing it, she loves it.
And एक
Stop
line से क्या हो गया
sexualizing
मुझे
it.
देखते हुए yeah, I hate people sexualizing women's clothing basically. I think womanhood, how like masculinity में there's such a big character like as grit, वो character womanhood में ज़्यादा होता of being the strong, like I feel femininity and womanhood was more often seen as for its strength. जैसे अगर रिलीजियसली भी बात करें, औरत पार्वती भी है, सरस्वती भी है, पर वो काली भी है. तो वो वाली चीज़ अगर मुझे लगता है ज़्यादा होती ना वुमेनहुड में, द आउट देयरनेस, the grit, the strength. If femininity was also seen as that, I would be like, I'd love it. As a more whole rounded approach. The moment you say something is more feminine, what pops in your head? Softness, pink, this and that, like, emotions, empathy, it's something very soft for some reason. I also wanted to be equally, like, वो shoulder back करके खड़ी भी हो सके, ठीक है, like that grit, that character, जो masculinity के वो traits आते हैं ना. I think a more well-rounded experience of womanhood would be जिसमें उतने ही traits हो of just strength.
So you mean like there should be more like the strength in femininity? What I would want to add is a women experiencing more in her life rather than just it just came to my mind. If I would like want to add something in women's life is experience the life.
Yeah.
Not just because of certain society's expectations, your partner's expectation, your kids' expectations, or your family's. Experience life as you want
Yeah.
first, and then see how do you want life to be. And then I think it takes you to the point where do you want to be a feminism or do you not want to be that strong women? Because they are both segments of people in this world.
Yeah.
Some they are okay being like a housewife, they're happy, they are happy being like nurtured, provided, and they're happy doing all of it. There are certain people which like women, they don't want to be that. We are one of those. We have very hyper independent. So I think experiencing the life first, like going on solo trips a lot, going on a lot of things alone, and then figuring out like what speaks to me as a woman in this life. And not what somebody is expecting of me.
Yeah, I really wish, that's beautiful point. I really wish women had the opportunity to see life as not a consequence कि ये मेरे साथ हुआ तो मेरी जिंदगी ऐसी है, but वो choose कर पाती कि मुझे ये पसंद है तो मेरे को
ये करूँगी. Not like कि 20 तक आप पढ़ो, फिर आपने मेडिकल की, फिर आपने शादी कर ली, फिर आपने फैमिली कर ली. There should be not that. जैसे like for men also it's same. Like
I get it.
उनके पास भी ये blueprint expectation. Like for everybody should need to experience life without those expectations कि हमारे में ये है. Like let's say let's say I was talking to Sahas yesterday. I had a huge breakdown yesterday. Huge breakdown for some reason. And then he was like, see, a lot of people are far ahead in my life where he's 38 and far ahead in life, but he's figuring out his business, his life at 38. And I was breaking down, I'm 25, and he's like, you have a lot to experience.
Yeah.
And then you will figure out. I'm 38, you are 25. And you are way better than me. So I'm like, that was so good. Ki just experience life. Just go as it and then you'll figure it out कि no, this is not sticking with me. Like
yeah, करके ही समझ आती है सब. बेसिक माइक का एक्सपीरियंस ले यार, आज मेरे को करके सेटअप समझ आया ना. तू वही कोई साथ में खड़ा रहता है तो बंदा डिपेंडेंट हो जाता है. बट द मोमेंट यू एक्चुअली गो आउट देयर इन द रियल वर्ल्ड एंड डू थिंग्स, यू रियलाइज कि दिस इज फॉर मी एंड प्रॉब्ली दिस इज डेफिनेटली नॉट फॉर मी. आई एम नेवर डूइंग दैट अगेन.
But also
trial and error.
Choice होनी चाहिए ना. A lot of women don't have that.
I really from the bottom of my heart wish the way our parents are, more parents are for their daughters, as we said in the last episode as well.
A lot of women don't have opportunities and chance to like explore their life.
Yeah.
उनको already blueprint दे दिया जाता है कि this is how it is to be and this is how you have to be. It's a human, bro. Let her experience, him experience.
Yeah.
And that's it, I think.
That was a very hearty note. To all the women out there, and also especially, I don't know if any parents watch us, but if you do, if you have a child.
Yeah, our mamas do watch our podcast.
My mama, and I know your mama as well, like, it's obsessed.
First viewer,
first commenters, they're like,
मम्मा कहते जैसे आता है मैं आपका एपिसोड देखती
हाँ,
हूँ लाइक ओ
मेरी
मम्मा
Wait
मेरी मम्मा
कर
की
रही
मुझे
होती
अभी
है।
पिछले हफ्ते क्लास लगी थी मेरे से मम्मा इज लाइक ओके मम्मा कुछ और उनकी क्लास लग रही है आई एम लाइक नहीं मम्मा ऑल गुड ठीक है बट
जी।
guys let us know if you want any other topics this was a
Yeah.
fun good mix
This is good. This is very
Topic.
wholesome now.
yeah
I liked it.
so
Well, with that, we come to an end of today's episode. Thank you so much for tuning in.
and we shall see you in the next episode take care guys have coffees
Bye.
have fun enjoy the summer
सोने दो उनको.
bye bye
Bye.